The smart ring race is heating up fast, and suddenly every major tech company wants a place on your finger. But there's one question no one can ignore anymore. Where is the Apple ring? Because behind the scenes, Apple isn't just observing this market, it's preparing something that could replace your Apple Watch, reduce your dependence on your phone, and completely change how you interact with every screen you own. All through a device that never leaves your finger. For years, the Aura ring quietly led this category. Then the Samsung Galaxy ring stepped in and confirmed that this isn't a niche anymore. It's the next wave of personal tech. But the real shift hasn't happened yet, because when Apple stays quiet in a fast-moving market like this, it usually means one thing. They're not trying to compete. They're getting ready to redefine it. Here's the uncomfortable truth about today's wearables. The Apple Watch is incredibly powerful, but it's not invisible. It constantly demands your attention with notifications, lights, and interactions. Even something as simple as sleep tracking feels unnatural when you're wearing a glowing screen to bed. A ring changes that completely. No display, no distractions, just continuous, passive tracking that works quietly in the background, while you forget it's even there. But Apple isn't trying to make just another fitness tracker. Their patents suggest something much more aggressive. Imagine a ring with a rotating outer band that acts like a scroll wheel, or sensors that can detect when your thumb and index finger touch with extreme precision. That's not random innovation. That's the same gesture logic behind the Apple Vision Pro. Now think about what that actually means. Instead of waving your hands in the air to control a screen, you could scroll, click, and navigate with tiny, small movements, your hand resting in your pocket. No exaggerated gestures, no one even noticing. Just complete control anywhere. This is Apple moving toward a world where your body becomes the interface itself. And this is where things get serious. The health tech space is getting crowded fast. New competitors are offering focused features without subscriptions, and Apple knows it can't depend on a single device anymore. A ring solves that. Combine it with an Apple Watch, and suddenly your health data becomes dramatically more accurate, especially for sleep tracking, recovery, and biometrics. Two devices working together, constantly validating each other. That's not just better tracking, that's a system you won't want to leave. But the most powerful shift isn't health, it's identity. Apple has explored turning a ring into a digital key for your entire life. The Apple Ring could unlock your Mac instantly, control your Apple TV, authorize payments, and interact with devices around you, without you ever reaching for your phone. No passwords, no Face ID, just presence. This isn't another accessory. It's Apple quietly building a new layer between you and every device you use. The technology is already there. The competition is accelerating. And Apple doesn't just enter categories, it takes them over. So the real question isn't when Apple launches the ring. It's what part of your current tech becomes useless the moment it does. What are your thoughts about the upcoming Apple ring? Will you switch? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.